Hi, this is Keith, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the IX social app. So what is this app? How can you use it to advantage? So let's find out. So copy trading is actually one of the easiest way you can trade. So if you're a beginner, you can actually copy trades from experts and you'll be able to make money as they are making as well. So how does this work with the IX social app? So the IX social app, it allows you to find and copy pro-level traders to earn the same returns. So users, all you have to do is simply click on the button and copy the exact same trades placed by pro traders and you get to make fun. So the IX social is a copy trading app by Infinox, of which you don't have to pay anything to download. You can download it for free and get started, and later on you can subscribe to any of the providers which are pros. So what you need to know is that the orders are automatically placed from their trading account, and in this way users who are the copiers can get the same return on investment on their trades with little to no effort. Meanwhile, pro traders, or actually storage providers, can as well generate revenue from trading activities of their followers, which is a good thing. So some of the statistics of this IX social app is that it's got more than 200,000 installs or downloads, and it has got more than 7,000 monthly active users, and it has got a global reach for pro traders. And you don't have to worry if you own an Android or iPhone, the app is available for whatever phone you are having. So what are some of the benefits of using the IX social mobile app? So here are the first one is actually that's got the auto copy feature. You don't have to manually copy trades. So it has got the leaderboards and the live track records to discover top traders. So you don't have to spend hours finding the best trader. So there's a leaderboard and you get to see the top performing traders where you can actually copy from. And it has got some simple risk management controls. And lastly, you can trade forex, indices, crypto, commodities, etc. with the IX mobile app. So what are some of the advantages for copiers? Let us say a beginner like to copy some trades. So the first advantage for you as a copier is that the app is mobile friendly. It's easier to discover trading strategies, and there's an effortless way to manage risk and earn returns, and you can actually earn the same returns the provider earns, which is actually a good thing. So let us say you are an expert who like to provide the copy trading services. What are some of the advantages that come with Infinox? So here are the first one is it is another way of monetizing your strategies or your expertise. The other advantage is that you can actually grow a following and become an influencer. It can actually increase your visibility online. So now the most important part is how can you actually get started? How can you join the Infinox mobile trading? So here is how you can actually do it. The first step is that you have to download the app from either Google Play or App Store. Then click on create an account, complete the quick form, and finally link your Infinox trading account. Then you have to choose either to become a copier or a strategy provider. Then finally connect it to a MetaTrader 4 or 5 server, and finally your account is all set and you can begin.